Climb inside the 2015 Lexus RX 350. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Lexus are offered, including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a power seat, a blind spot monitoring system, a power liftgate, a roof rack, and more. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.